to answer. So what I told them, they are answering. So if there's anybody, so fine then. So we are moving on to another lesson, which is by Robert Lind. Robert Lind, and the lesson is on being a bore. Like when you become a bore, what all happens? And one should never bore anyone. If you're boring, if you're a very boring person, that you might not know it. But then some people are so boring that they don't even know it, but they bore everybody. So one thing is there. So on being a bore, when a person is a bore, what happens to the person? And you can bore a person. A person can become a bore by various things. If you talk too much, if you're very talkative, बहुत ज़्यादा बात करते हैं आप, तभी you are termed as a very boring person. दूसरे की बात सुनता ही नहीं और अपनी ही बात करता रहता है. And ultimately, people start avoiding the person. No point talking to him because वो किसी की सुनेंगे ही नहीं, वो अपनी ही बात करेंगे. और कंट्रास्ट करते हैं अगर कोई बिल्कुल बोलता ही नहीं है, आपके कंपनी में है, बिल्कुल बोल ही नहीं रहा, बस आप ही बोल रहे हैं, वो सिर्फ सुन रहा है, he is not asking questions, means he is not showing any interest. So even that person becomes very boring. तो उसके बारे में कहा जाता है, सोचा जा सकता है कि उससे तो बात करना बेकार, बात करता ही नहीं है, और पार्टी में अगर जर्नी में उसके साथ जाना होगा तो पीपल ट्राई टू अवॉइड कि उसके साथ जाएंगे तो वेरी बैड कंपनी, वेरी बैड कंपेनियन, बोलेगा ही नहीं, एंड यू विल बी बोर्ड स्टिफ, मतलब बहुत ज्यादा आप बोर हो जाएंगे. तो सम पीपल टॉक टू मच and they become a very boring person, and some people do not talk at all. One-sided kind of conversation can be very boring. Both sides conversation agar hai, and if you're talking interesting, so फिर you will never become a bore. So again, I'm waiting for questions from BBM batch 2. If the person has not joined in, I'm just waiting for another minute or so, and then we'll shift to the essay by Robert Lind on being a bore. We have Gulshan Kumar of BBM batch 2. Abhishek Kumar, Jyoti Kumari, and Saurav Ghosh. So Saurav Ghosh has you always have problems. आप लोग absent mark हो जाते हैं आप हमेशा. So get this straight, get this done. कि आप screenshot दे दिया कीजिए कि मैं इस class में था. So this way you are going to save the hassles of बार-बार पूछने का, बार-बार बताने का, बार-बार remind क्यों करना पड़ता है कि आप absent नहीं थे, you were present in the class. But documentation एक proof हो जाता है, screenshot ले करके आप साथ रखिए. आपका अगर absent नहीं हो, present mark कर दिया जाता है, well and good. अगर आप absent किसी तरह से mark हो भी जा रहे हैं, then you can send this screenshot. This applies for anybody who is in the class, जो जिनका absent mark हो जा रहा है somehow for some reasons. So आप अपना screenshot लेके रख लीजिएगा कि yes, I was present in this class on this day. So there are no questions, and now I'm coming to the main topic. The agenda for today is on being a bore by the PPT which I had shared in the class. That is complete in itself, but then I will also read out some important lines for you which might come in your examination. I may not read the whole text, but I'll give you the important lines for what the writer has written, how has he written, and what are the ways what words he has chosen to express himself. And as you already know, from BBM batch 1, you already know that रॉबर्ट लिंड वाज अ वेरी हिलारियस, वो हंसने हंसाने के लिए लिखा करते थे, और वन पर्सन जो कॉमेडी बहुत उनके राइटिंग में हुआ करता था, और वो इसलिए भी लिखते थे कि ही वांटेड टू entertain people. So his essays were very entertaining. आप second year में जब when you go to second year, there's the essay by Robert Lind, an essay by Robert Lind which says that forgetting, क्या क्या चीजें इंसान याद रखता है और क्या क्या चीजें लोग भूल जाते हैं. So this is also a very interesting essay जो कि आप second year में पढ़ेंगे. But today let us move on to On Being a Bore by Robert Lind. I'll share the screen. And I'll be asking questions in between. So please be very attentive. Listen to what is being said. Questions can come from wherever, whatever I'm reading. So on being a bore, the title suggests when you become a bore, what happens? On being a bore, if you're a bore, what all can happen to you? और the author suggests that never become a bore. आप कभी भी जिंदगी में किसी के लिए बोर नहीं हो सकते. किसी के लिए आप बोर हो सकते हैं, किसी के लिए आप बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग पर्सन हो सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, if you're a player, if you're a cricketer, and if you're in a company of musicians, people who are singers or artists or painters, they will not like your stories, your success stories or your failures. They will hardly be interested. But if you turn to your group, then your stories might be interesting for people who are interested in similar groups. The groups ban jata hai. These groups which have groups have a common interest. People who are there, they are commonly interested in the same topic. Like if you are in a company of painters, and if you talk about your stories about how you started painting, so it will interest them only. It will not interest the other group. So similarly, on being a bore is a very wide topic, and in society कहीं ना कहीं किसी न किसी से आप बोर हो सकते हैं, और कहीं ना कहीं it does happen that you can be an interesting person to someone, but you can be a very boring person to the other person, to the other group. So the writer is Robert Lind. You see the how he looks, and this is Robert Lind, and who is very humorous. Please don't do this. जो भी ऐसा कर रहे हैं, I'll stop the class immediately. ये बदतमीजी का आप लोग हाइड करते हैं. Whatever it is being recorded. So Robert Lind is a person जो कि he writes for information, and also he writes to entertain. Entertain करने के लिए वो लिखा करते हैं. Let's read. If I'm going to ask you what type of a person was Robert Lind and why he wrote, you need to come up with the answer. A brief description about Robert Lind. The full name was Robert Wilson Lind. He was an Anglo-Irish writer. Anglo-Irish writer. Editor of poetry, literary essayist, and strong Irish nationalist. So this is his description. What was he? And he was born on 20th of April 1879 at Belfast, United Kingdom, and he died October 6th, 1949 at Hampstead, London, United Kingdom. And education, the Royal Belfast Academical Institution, Queen's University, Belfast, and his nationality was British Irish. His works include The Pleasures of Ignorance. The pleasure of ignorance means when you do not know anything, it becomes very pleasurable. Like no news is good news. The pleasure, मुझे पता ही नहीं है, so the pleasure is always beautiful. the ignorance is always beautiful. If I do not know anything, I will not be disturbed. So the pleasure of ignorance. And then he wrote, I tremble to think. Tremble का मतलब होता है कांपना. I tremble मतलब सोच के ही घबराहट होती है, डर लगता है. I tremble to think. I don't know what you are coming up with, but these stories are very, all these essays are very hilarious. पढ़ के आपको डर नहीं लगेगा, लेकिन पढ़ के आपको हंसी आएगी. A smile will adorn your face. आपको अच्छा लगेगा पढ़ करके. Because reading for entertainment, pleasure reading extensive reading style में आता है. When you read for pleasure, that is extensive reading. जिसके लिए आपको you will just feel good. That feel good feeling is there when you read Robert Lind. And next he talks about old and new masters. Old and new masters, quite clear. The subject is quite clear. नए और पुराने masters. Masters मतलब कि there is a master servant. No, master servant. Old masters and new masters. पुराने जमाने के मास्टर्स क्या होते थे? लैंडलॉर्ड हुआ करते थे, जिनके सामने स्लेव्स होते थे, जो सर्वेंट्स होते थे, उनका क्या मेंटालिटी होता था. और न्यू मास्टर्स के सामने, with the society changing, even the masters are changing also. So The Little Angel, a book of essays, and then he has written a book of essays titled The Little Angel. So these are the books which he has written. एग्जाम में आपका आता है इंट्रोड्यूस द ऑथर रॉबर्ट लिंड. तो इंट्रोड्यूस द ऑथर रॉबर्ट लिंड में आपको यू विल हैव टू राइट everything about his work, about his nationality, where he was born, when he was born, when he died, and such. Moving on. So now a little more descriptions about Robert Lind. Robert Wilson Lind occupies a prominent place among. Who is doing this? I told you I'll stop the class right now. Prominent. Prominent means important. If you're underlining it, you let me know what you're underlining it for. So Robert Wilson Lind occupies a prominent, a very important place among the first rank of essays till date. आज तक वो राइटर्स के फर्स्ट रैंक में, सबसे द बेस्ट राइटर्स के वो लाइन में वो खड़े हैं. After completing his education, he became a journalist as well. और अपना एजुकेशन कंप्लीट करने के बाद he became a journalist. He was the editor of the Daily News. So now we're talking about his career. So he was the editor of the Daily News. He used to write an essay every week for the New Statesman. And एक कॉलम उनके लिए हुआ करता था, and he used to write one essay every week for the New Statesman under the pseudonym YY. Pseudonym means not the real name. His name was Robert Wilson Lind, but उनका pseudonym था YY. Y.Y. This was his pseudonym. This was his pen name. This was the name he was known for. His literary name, like he used to not Robert Wilson Lind, but then it was YY. Had it been, the real name was RWL, R.W.L, but it was not as such. He chose YY. So the essay, the idea expressed in the given essay is very humorous on one hand and satirical on the other. तो ऐसे जो सामने दिया गया है वो एक तरह से हंसने हंसाने वाला है, ह्यूमरस है, और दूसरी तरफ एक कटाक्ष करता है सोसाइटी पे. सटारिकल मीन्स कटाक्ष या व्यंग करना. ऑन द अदर, एक तरह से कटाक्ष भी है, सटायर भी है, और दूसरी तरफ से ये बहुत एंटरटेनिंग भी है. दिस इज अ वेरी ह्यूमरस essay. The essay is a reflection based on people's ideas and preoccupations. तो ये ऐसे क्या है, लोगों के आइडियाज पर बेस क्या हुआ है, लोग क्या सोचते हैं, लोगों के आइडियाज क्या है, and on their preoccupations. तो वो क्या क्या करते हैं, what are they preoccupied with, what are they busy with, किस किस काम में लोग, आम जनता जो होते हैं, the common people, what are they thinking, what are their ideas, and what are their preoccupations, what they are busy doing. Bores is the subject matter of the essay. So what is the subject matter? the subject matter or the theme of the essay is bores. The writer highlights the variety of bores in the society. No, what is the author trying to do? He's trying to highlight कर रहे हैं कितने तरह के bores होते हैं in the society. So there are many types of bores in the society, which the author has highlighted. In his book, he says there are many kinds of bores in the society. For example, somebody who talks a lot, somebody who doesn't talk at all, somebody who has been a childhood bore, somebody who at the barber salon में अगर if you go barber वहाँ पर होते हैं बहुत ज़्यादा बात करते हैं, very talkative barber. तो खास करके बोलते हैं the author has highlighted that such people are very boring. When you go for a haircut in the salon and the barber is talking quite a lot, then you feel quite bored. You feel bored. So there's nothing that you can do. So the writer highlights the variety of bores in the society. So answering the question, what is the subject matter of On Being a Bore by Robert Linz? So the subject matter is bores, and the writer has highlighted the variety of bores in the society. यहाँ पर आपको you have the liberty. You can put in your ideas. You can put in your kind of information, whatever you have gathered so far, and you can very well use that in your test. कितने तरह के बोर्ड्स होते हैं? राइटर ने 5-7 लिखा है, तो आपके पास अगर आइडियाज 10 है, तो you can very well put those ideas to highlight, to give examples. Always support your answers with example. तो क्या आपका कंटेंट थोड़ा स्ट्रांग हो जाता है. Moving on. The train bores who like talking to people without realizing they might bore other passengers. So this is generally it happens. The first he talks about the barber who the very talkative barber. इसमें नहीं है. I'm telling you. I'm adding on. ठीक है. In a salon, barber बहुत ज़्यादा एक talkative barber है जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा बात करता है. That they can be pretty boring. A salesman. दूसरा जो इसमें नहीं है आपको बता रहे हैं. Some salesmen who come at you, don't do this. Whoever is doing this, salesman. इसको मिटाओ, जो भी इसको कर रहे हो, स्क्रैच कर रहे हो, मिटाओ इसको. I might as well not take your class at all. कोई वर्ड समझ में नहीं आ रहा है तो highlight that. So first, which is not in the PVT, is talkative barbers. Second, he's talking about salesmen who talk a lot, which you may not like, and which you may not like. And then he's talking about motoring bores. Sorry, first he's talking about train bores. As I said, train bores who like talking, who love talking to people. Some people, when you're traveling on train, आप trains travel करते हैं, तो कोई कुछ passengers ऐसे होते हैं जो कि बिना बोले रहते ही नहीं है. Even if you're busy in your own world or trying to read a book, they will read your book upside down and they will turn the page. आपको आप पेपर पढ़ रहे हैं, तो वो पीछे से आपका पेपर पढ़ रहे हैं. They start commenting, and these things people have encountered. वो देखते हैं लोग कि they are always dying to come into a conversation because उनको लंबे सफर पे निकलते हैं और बिना बात के रह सकते हैं. So there are some very talkative people who just cannot stop talking. So these train bores are, you can find it everywhere. So they talk a lot, but he talks about an American I told you the story about it. This is mentioned in the book that he used to buy a watch just for the sake that if somebody will come and ask the first question, anybody asks to start a conversation, भाई साहब कितना बजा है? What time is it? तो ऐसा हर जगह होता है. तो he used to buy a watch. जब कोई आएगा पूछने के लिए कि भाई साहब कितना टाइम हो रहा है और what time is the train about to start? तो जब ऐसे सवाल से बचने के लिए वो क्या होता है, वो जब कोई उनसे पूछने आता था तो वो एक अजीब समूह बना करके वो used to throw that watch out of the train window. The writer was very surprised. The writer उनके साथ जा रहा था. Robert Lind was traveling with him. So he saw that a very rich American. Why is he buying a watch? So he said, "You already have such a good watch, and a very expensive one. Why are you trying to buy this platform cheap watches?" They say, "You will see." And then the author encounters, वो देखते हैं, and he comes to know, and then it is revealed क्यों उन्होंने खरीदा था. तो जैसे ही वो लोग बैठते हैं, somebody came up, walked up and said, "Sir, can you please tell me what time is it?" तो ये सवाल सुनते ही that American took out his watch and made a very funny face, like जब पागल जैसे फेस बनाते हैं उस तरह का एक्सप्रेशन बना करके और उसको फ्लिंग करके वो बिल्कुल फेंक देते हैं. वो दैट अमेरिकन वो फेंक देता है वो वॉच, जो सस्ती सी जो घड़ी जो उन्होंने खरीदा था उसको खिड़की से बाहर वो फेंक देता है. तो और ये देख करके जो सवाल पूछने जो आया था, व्हाट टाइम इज इट, वो इतना डर जाता है कि हियर इन दिस कंपार्टमेंट इज अ मैड पर्सन, इज एन इनसेन लुनाटिक, विद पागल बैठा हुआ है जो कि पता नहीं कब क्या कर दे. अभी तो घड़ी देखा है, पता नहीं कुछ और फेंक देगा. तो डर के मारे वो लोग भाग जाते हैं. वो इंसान भाग जाता है. और इसके साथ क्या होता है, इवन द पीपल हु आर सिटिंग देयर आसपास वो भी समझ जाते हैं कि भाई एक लेसन मिल जाता है कि इस बंदे से बात नहीं करनी है. तो बस बचने के लिए कॉन्वर्सेशन से इतना पहले से वो प्लान करते हैं, घड़ी खरीदते हैं, सो दैट कोई इनको बोर नहीं करे एंड यू विल ट्रैवल वेरी नाइसली विद अ बुक और समथिंग. बट यहाँ पर व्हाट इज द ऑथर्स व्यूज, क्या ऑथर इसको इस व्यू से हैप्पी है? डज ही अग्री विद दिस कि ठीक है ऐसा बचने के लिए करना चाहिए? नो, the author does not agree with the American passenger, because he says on the rather he is very happy, he likes, he enjoys traveling on train, because the writer says that he can listen to a lot of stories, a lot of things happening, and many things, many activities, like it's like watching a movie or watching a play, a drama, without paying the ticket, of course, without sitting in a theater. So you just have to buy tickets and you can be you can be watching a lot of activities or plays or dramas or stories. You can listen to a lot of things. Lots happening when you like traveling by train. Some people who are there who do not like talking to people, but on the other hand, the author also is among the people who love traveling by train, because then he can listen to a lot of interesting things happening, stories happening, and it is a good. Similarly, even Edward Morgan Foster also loved traveling by train. So he had come on a visit to explore India. That is why he loved meeting people, and he was a people person. Similarly, Robert Lind also is a people person. He loves meeting people because he wants to. In the very beginning, I told you, he used to explore their minds, what they are thinking. Similarly, like how Edward E.M. Foster was doing it, was about. So he does not agree, and he believes that if you travel by train, it can be a lot interesting. Listening to stories, listening to things happening. When you are alert, when you are aware, you see a lot of things. It's also knowledgeable. You come to know a lot of things which you did not know. And then he talks about motoring bores. Motoring bores who were bored to death on bad roads and slow moving traffic. अब jams है और bad roads है, up the hill or down the hill, कभी कभी ट्रैफिक बहुत स्लो चलना पड़ता है, गो स्लो होता है. योर ट्रैफिक, योर स्कूटर और योर मोटरसाइकिल और योर कार इज जस्ट स्नेल पेस पे होता है, वेरी मूविंग वेरी slowly, hardly moving, jam. But then the beggars sitting on both sides of the road, they feel very happy. It becomes a boon for them, and they hurriedly they come and they will ask you for money. और 90 मिनट ब्रेक जो आप देखते हैं ट्रैफिक पे, आप देखते जैसे ही लाइट्स आ जाता है You see a lot of people coming to you, but they are not beggars. They sell their brisk selling के लिए वो आ जाते हैं वो लोग. Even they can be very boring. But what to do? They have their families to run. So sometimes even I am tempted sometimes to take balloons. A small child selling balloons. Even if I don't need it, sometimes I buy it. For what? We should help each other. So then he talks about motoring board. This is the motoring board, slow traffic, and but which is very boring for the person at the wheels. जो गाड़ी चला रहे हैं, जो मोटरसाइकिल चला रहे हैं, so it can be very boring if they are stuck in a jam or in a very slow moving pace in the traffic. But on the other hand, it is very interesting. It becomes a boon, and they feel that these people are God sent. This jam is God sent, and we can earn a lot by they will stop every car and they ask for money, and we don't have a choice but to give it. Anyways, then he talks about the political bores who talk of nothing but politics. So there are certain people who will who will bore you to death, and they will only talk about politics. Somebody who's not at all interested in politics, either he will not join the group, or even if it is there, there's no way out, and the person is bored to death. So these people, because politics comes with interest, and if you have a great deal of interest in politics, you will only talk about politics, which might be very boring for somebody else. Then the one-way bores, the two-way bores. What is the one-way bore? One-way bore, one person is talking and the other person is listening. So the conversation is one-sided, and it becomes very boring for the other person because he never gets to speak at all. उसको बोलने का मौका ही नहीं मिलता है, and this one person is going away with his stories, endless stories, which might be interesting, which might not. Even if it's interesting, he has to give space for the other person to respond and to start off with his own stories. But the one-way bores are, you can find them everywhere. क्योंकि one-sided conversations होता है और दूसरे को बोलने का मौका नहीं मिलता है. So this becomes very boring. The two-way bores. The two-way bores are two persons meeting after a long time. बहुत दिन के बाद अगर दो दोस्त मिलते हैं या दो relatives मिलते हैं, they talk, they meet, and they sit up all night. रात भर जाके बात करते हैं, दिन भर बात करते हैं, and then दोनों की कहानी खत्म हो जाती है. रात भर बात करेंगे, दिन भर बात करेंगे, तो क्या होगा? दोनों तरफ की कहानी खत्म हो जाएगी. ऊपर क्या होता है? They both start boring each other. The two-way bores. दोनों एक दूसरे को बोर करना शुरू कर देते हैं. When you have nothing else to talk about, you have talked so much that now you have nothing else to talk about. So this is the two-way bores. How will you explain this? When two persons meet after a long time, they have lots to say. They have stories to tell. And when the stories are over, both sides, when both have stories to tell and the stories are over, then they start boring each other. So, then he talks about the childhood bores. The childhood bores are children who bore adults. And यहाँ पे the writer reveal करते हैं अपने बारे में. He talks about himself, that he himself was a great childhood bore. And this he talks about a person. I think I already told you in the class before BBM 1 and 2 both. Like when he was a child, an adult, an uncle used to come all the time and we talk about politics, and the child was bored to death. So one day he started boring. One day he decided that he's going to bore him. So this was intentional. वो जान के वो रॉबर्ट लेन जो थे बचपन में उन्होंने ऐसा किया. घर से बाहर ले गए. Uncle, let's go out. Let's take a walk. And then he started saying, वो neighbor ही था. He was a neighbor, next door neighbor. और उनको बता रहा है, Uncle, look at this road, and this road is built by so and so. Look at this house. This is Mr. Wilson's house. And look at this. तो पूरा वो जाना पहचाना चीज, जानी पहचानी जगहों को वो बार बार वो चिल्ला के कान में बोल रहा था. और he continued endlessly without stopping. यहाँ तक कि the uncle was so bored, वो अपना हाथ अपने कान पे लगा करके बोलता है, oh my god, you are such a big bore. And then he realized, yes, this was intentional. He wanted to bore that uncle, because all this time, all the while, this uncle had come to his house and talked about politics, which left him nothing but to plan this, to bore this uncle. So then he talks about the root bores. The root bores are like, आपको रास्ता पता नहीं है और दूसरे को पता बता रहे हैं. So root bores are such like, आपको किसी ने पूछा भी नहीं है, but some people have got the habit. अच्छा वहां जाना है, take this route, go here, go there, and you will find the place. और the author, ऐसा कभी हो रहा था एक बार, एक incident when the author was there and somebody was trying to say that it has taken me 5 hours to reach this place, and then somebody intervened कि आप अगर दूसरे बस पे आते हैं तो आप 2 घंटे पहले उतर जाते, ये करते, आपको ये बस लेना था, वो बस लेना था. He is trying to convince the person who was already upset. He had reached 5 hours late. तो ऑथर बोल रहे थे जो वो रूट बता रहा था, अगर वो रूट लेकर के वो महिला आती तो she would never have reached here till morning. So some people have got the habit of trying to be the Mr. Know All. मुझे सब पता है, कहाँ से जाना है, कैसे जाना है, कुछ पता उनको नहीं होता है. Just for the sake of conversing, कुछ बोलना है, कुछ भी बोलना है, तो कुछ भी बोलना है, आपको पता मालूम है, नहीं मालूम है, लेकिन आप बोल सकते हैं कि मुझे नहीं पता, लेकिन आपको पूछा किसने है? किसने पूछा भी नहीं है. You try to bore the other people और आप उल्टा पुल्टा बता देते हैं just for the sake of talking. ऐसा नहीं है, आप नॉलेज नहीं है, but then स्मार्ट बनने के लिए, स्मार्ट एलेक बनने के लिए आप बताते रहते हैं कि चलो ये यहाँ है, वहाँ है, ऐसे करो, वैसे करो. Somebody who knows nothing at all. And then he talks about the war bores are all in the one way or the other, may bore some or many at one point or the other. Now let us recap. The author is talking about the one-way bores, the train bores, the one-way bores, the two-way bores, the childhood bores, the root bores, the war bores are all in one way or the other. They bore some or many. They bore some people or many people at one point of time or another. कभी ना कभी, कहीं ना कहीं, किसी न किसी तरीके से सब एक दूसरे को किसी पॉइंट पे, अभी नहीं तो कल, कल नहीं तो कब पहले, कहीं ना कहीं हर आदमी किसी न किसी को जरूर कुछ ऐसा इंसिडेंस होता है कि एक दूसरे को लोग बोर करते हैं. So they are all illustrative of typical bores that we come across in our daily life. तो ये कौन लोग होते हैं? The train bores or whatever the one way, the two way, ये लोग कौन है? They are all talking about the typical bores that we come across in our daily life. हम लोग अपने daily life में जो हम लोग देखते हैं, ये उन्हीं के बारे में बात है. That we come across in our daily lives. The writer makes a revelation that he himself was a childhood bore and had bored many who happened to meet him. So, I already told you that he admits that he was a childhood bore, and he says that he must have bored many people to death. And one thing is very interesting about this essay is that Robert Lynch starts the essay with inverted commas, don't become a bomb bore. Like the first sentence is under inverted commas, don't become a bomb bore. Don't bore so much that you become a bomb. So these are the train bores. You can see the picture and you can see what are they doing, the train bores, or you can say the people sitting in the airplane or whatever. So you see, it's a very closed compartment and crowded. People are there. So what I want you to do, look at the picture and write the instance about your personal experience about, have you ever bored people, or has somebody bored you on the train? Write your incident, write your account, अपना experience लिखिए अपने assignments में. पिक्चर रीडिंग इसको बोलते हैं। पिक्चर देख करके बोलना, पिक्चर देख करके कम से कम 5-10 लाइन्स लिखना। This can be a very good exercise, and I think I've already shared this PPT with you. So look at the picture and try to write some sentences, what it's all about. You can write about the author also, like what the author has said about the incident. Like the author enjoys traveling by train because he can listen to a lot of interesting stories. This was the author's version. But his friend, the American, who did not like meeting people, who did not like conversing with people, who did not like talking to people, he had a different agenda and he did not like talking to people, so he bought a watch and whatever that was his thinking. The author differs with the American the American's point of view. So why did the man throw his watch out of the window? May come in your exam. क्यों फेंका उसने? Why did the man throw out his watch out of the window? Can anybody answer this? Why did the man throw his watch out of the window? Anybody from BBM batch 2? So to start a conversation, it is so easy to किसी से बात करने का सबसे conversation starter होता है. क्या टाइम हो रहा है क्या बता सकते हैं? What is the time? और उसके बाद लोग बात करना शुरू कर देते हैं. Most common question. किसी स्ट्रेंजर से किसी से बात करना चाहते हैं आप, तो आप उसको वॉक करते हैं, कोई ना भी नहीं करता है. नॉर्मली टाइम पूछता है तो बता ही देते हैं हम लोग. देन द ट्रैफिक बोर्ड्स आप देख रहे हैं, द स्लो मूविंग पेस में the slow moving pace, you see the people coming for money. पैसे मांगने के लिए कैसे लोग जुट जाते हैं और आपकी गाड़ी हर गाड़ी को रोक करके वो लोग कुछ ना कुछ पैसे मांग लेते हैं, लोग दे भी देते हैं. दे इसलिए देते हैं कि कौन इनके साथ बहस करे, कौन इनके साथ बातचीत करे. सो दे के अपना लोग जान छुड़ा लेते हैं. दिस इज द ट्रैफिक जैम बोर्ड्स और द मोटरिंग बोर्ड्स. Again, you see the long jam, so people are there waiting, and the beggars are very happy because they'll be able to earn some money and to keep their family going. So begging एक profession भी हो जाता है.